When security fails, there is a chain reaction of cyber vulnerabilities. Your spouse works for a large corporation. You own your own business, employing a few people. Your life is about to take a terrible turn. It's a real wake-up call, especially in the spaces we least expect. Your business has been cyber-attacked. Hackers didn't stop at breaching your company's defenses. They accessed your personal details, your customers, your vendors, and employees. With this information, they breached bank accounts, personal assets, and the company your spouse works for, triggering not just financial turmoil, but possibly the end of your business. An alarming truth is discovered. The breach originated from your business through access to your mobile device. This revelation underscores a stark reality. Beyond the immediate financial loss, breaches carry hefty fines and additional financial damages for this cybersecurity fail. It's a call to action for every organization, no matter its size or function, to fortify digital defenses. This scenario and the financial consequences that follow could be you. Don't wait. Your network could be attacked right now. Click the QR code and get your digital health check today.